All right, folks, it is the 23rd of September, and this is the NQ, NASDAQ E-mini, and it's looking kind of bearish this morning, even though it's up 33 points right here. I'm going to go ahead and put my buy order in above the high of the morning of the first 5-minute candle, and that'll be forming here in just a second. Let me see here. That is, the high is 33 and a quarter, so I will be putting it in at, let's see here, 33 and a half. There we go. Okay, it looks like it's going to go on down, but I'm just going to play it safe and go ahead and keep my order in where it is. We'll see what happens. So I'll be back if I get filled. All right, folks, I just got filled. That thing's moving up pretty good right now. Wow, I'm up $220. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up, break even, just because I'd like to see this thing take off. Ooh, looking good. I went in, I moved my take profit up here. This blue line up here is going to be resistance from what I've seen in the past. And, well, this is going to be the first resistance right here at 55. And then if we can break on through, and 84 is, and it may pop down and stop me. I don't know. I'm just, this is my target. 84, 83 is the target area. I'm going to put it up at 80 just to see what happens there. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm up. I'm doing all right now. So I'm just going to try to let it run a little bit. I will come back and, well, let's see here. This thing may start moving kind of fast. Let me see what this 43. The cumulative delta, this is what I've got my eye on. I want to see this shoot up too, because this thing could start tanking on me. I'm going to move it up a little bit. My stop. 39. Maybe too soon, but yeah, shoot. Okay. Let me hold off a second here. This is what I'm saying. The cumulative delta is not doing too well right now, so I think I may just pull this. Let's see if we can bounce right. I'm just thinking out loud, folks. This is the way I trade, though. I gotta kind of, okay, it's making one more push up. If it can break that high, okay, I'm gonna move my stop up just below that low there, and at least I'll lock in a little bit. Okay, there we go. Maybe, yeah, it may go on up now. So I'm up $400 right now. Let's see. It's hit that that line right there. The next stop is going to be up here. I mean, the next should be up in that area. It's getting a little resistance on this line, but okay. Yeah, these lines, everything's looking bullish. That can change quick, though. I'm telling you that. Let's see, 37. Yeah, I've got my stop in a good place. See if we can pop on up here around 80. That'd be a nice trade. Okay, I don't want to waste your time watching this. I'll come back when something happens here. All right, folks, I went ahead and took profit. I think it's going to go up here to this level. I had moved my take profit up to 84, but I said, well, I'm up $700 on this trade, so that's what I did. But you can see right now, it looks like it's going to go up. Yep, I could have taken close. Well, there it goes. But I'm glad I took some profit, so I'm good with that. Let me, I'll just show you my scorecard here, just so you know I'm being honest. Yeah, I made, well, actually, I'd already taken a loss earlier today. That's right. So on that one, I made 745 bucks. And I did a pre-market trade where I shouldn't have done it, and I did it. And I lost $262 on that. Let's see, 200, $220. But I came back and made the 745, so I'm up 545 for the day, and I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's a good point right there. You know, I know better. I shouldn't be trading pre-market, but I had something I wanted to try. I did it. I was right in the way of the direction, but I did not want to risk too much. But I went ahead and took the loss, and now I am back in the green with it, and I'm happy with the altogether 517 bucks for the day. Okay, I appreciate you watching the channel, and please give a thumbs up and like button and all that stuff if you liked it, and then and then please subscribe. I'd like for you to watch every day if you want to. So I feel I'm giving some good teaching moments. I've been doing this since 1990, so I've learned a few things along the way and saw a lot of changes along the way too. So here we go. I will go on and sign off now, and I appreciate you watching, like I said, and I hope you have a good trading day, and see you next time.